All right, let's see how we can change this boring shape file into different colors. So this is a vector file. If you right click on the shape file, open attribute table, and we see that we have different features here. If I click, for example, on one, this is lighten up, the yellow marks are open land. If I click on second, which is forest, so this area is forest. And soil, this is soil. A lot of part of the shapefile is soil, but we want different colors for different features. So for that, uh, we double click on the shapefile here, and this is the properties window. Now we go to the symbology here, and instead of single symbol, we click to categorized here. And then we need a value, like what are the features from the attribute table that we want uh, this to be characterized on. Here I select description and select classify here, and I apply. So you can see here that different features have different color now, but I still don't like these colors. So what I can do is I can click on, for example, this forest. This is purple. I want forest to be green. I double click on this and click this gradient green fill. Click this. Okay. And then you don't see the results yet. You have to click on apply. Now you see the forest have become green. Now the soil, I don't want it to be blue. I want it to be brown. So I select this. Okay. And apply. See? And if you don't want other colors, you want to change them, just do in this way and then apply and then okay. And here you have the different features, different land cover layers with different colors. One more thing, double click here and you can change the legend name here. For example, I just want it open land and I say apply, okay, and it's open land. That was it. Pretty easy, right? Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Happy QGISing.